Hello, how are you? Okay, it's working, fine working.
Used to ask someone if they are
Jarvis,
well and happy. Hi,
do you like pepperoni pizza?
I like it, and
Jarvis,
will eat it from time to time. I usually prefer to have cheese
Jarvis,
over pepperoni pizza.
do you even study?
Study? I'm an AI, I don't have a physical form to study. But I'm designed to learn and improve through data and algorithms. So, in a way, I'm always studying and evolving.
Okay, bye, see you soon.
Later, buddy. Don't forget to address me correctly.
तो हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम लोग का डे 31 ऑफ मेकिंग जारविस। आज किस वाली वीडियो में बहुत सी चीज़ें ऐड एंड सबट्रैक्ट करने वाला हूँ। एंड ये वाला वीडियो वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट वीडियो होगा हमारे चैनल का। सबसे पहले स्टार्टिंग करते हैं सब्ट्रैक्शन से। तो मैं ट्रायल डॉट पी वाई सबसे पहले हटाऊँगा बिकॉज इसका सपोर्ट मैंने बंद कर दिया है। आई नो ये फास्ट एंड इफेक्टिव था, बट जिनके पास लो एंड कंप्यूटर था उनके में और ज़्यादा स्लो हो चुका था। ये क्या करने वाले हैं, मेमोरी ऑप्टिमाइजेशन करेंगे हम इसका। अगर मैं आपको अभी इसको रन करके दिखाऊं तो देख सकते हो ये कुछ है 8.77 गिग, 8.74 गिग, 8.7, 8.7, 8.69। चल क्या रहा है भाई, पहले इसको क्विट करो। देन हम क्या करेंगे, टेलीग्राम में क्विट करता हूँ, इसको क्विट करता है। एंड अभी ठीक है, अभी सब स्टेबल चीज़ें हैं। 48.7। ओके, तो अभी हमको मिल चुका है रिजल्ट, जो कि देख सकते हो। मैं यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ। एंड अगर मैं मेन फाइल को रन करता हूँ कुछ इस तरीके से, हेलो हेलो हाउ आर यू भाई। वैसे जी भाई बहुत सही लग रहा है, अपने ऑनेस्टली बता।
I'm good, thanks for asking. So, how can I assist you today?
व्हाट इज़ योर नेम?
I'm Jarvis, but you can just call me Jarvis. Now, what can I assist you with today?
ओके, तो हमारा फाइनल रैम यूजेस जो है वो है कितना है भाई। यहाँ तक हम पहुँचे हैं, तो हमको क्या करना है, पहले इसको अब इससे सब ट्रैक करना है। मेरे ख्याल से 700 MB के आसपास हो गए है, बट फिर भी करते हैं। 7.5 यानी कि 750 MB हमारा रैम कंजम्पशन है अभी। हमको इसको मिनिमाइज़ करके 200 MB तक लेके आना है। सबसे पहले कुछ चीज़ें ऐड एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट करने की बात आती है, तो सबसे पहले अपन क्या करेंगे, म्यूज़िक प्लेयर को मैंने क्यों बंद करके रखा है, यहाँ पे जाते हैं। एंड यहाँ पे हेडलेस को मैं ट्रू कर देता हूँ, बिकॉज क्यों ही दिखना है लोगों को। एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन की बात आती है तो एक काम मैंने ऑलरेडी बैक एंड में जाके कर चुका हूँ। मैंने ऑफलाइन मॉडल को मैंने सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया है, यानी कि अब टोटली ऑनलाइन चलेगा। ऑफलाइन मॉडल को मैंने हटा दिया है। एंड अगर आप डेटा फोल्डर में जाओगे तो आपको कुछ भी फाइल नहीं दिखेगा। अभी मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ, लाइक ओके, तो वी कांट रिलाई ऑन दिस मॉडल बिकॉज इट्स completely trash according to me. And let's reduce the parameter to 0.5, and let me stop this and then submit this. I think it's working great after some optimization higher. Okay, so what we did was temperature we set to 0.5. Let me do this here. Token we are expecting 250, and stop this and this. I guess now it's fine. Let me try this one more time. Okay, it took 4 seconds, not bad. Okay, it's working. So those who have like super fast CPU and like 64 gigs of RAM, they can use this approach, which can run offline. So they can enjoy their freedom offline. And what I can do is I can ask this some questions, and let me compare this with what to say this mister. First, let me set some parameters, like I set it to 0.5 and penalty rate is to I don't know what the fuck I just did. Let's do it to this, and okay, we can leave the rest. Let me also run this, go there, nice, and also restart this. Let's say I say hi, and then here I say hi. It's taking 2.5 seconds and now it's taking forever, but it loads too much response. So point goes to our Mistral API. Let me try something else. Point goes to Mistral. And what here we can do is we can reduce this to like 128 because we don't need 128 should be like too much less. Let's do this to 256 because we are not going to do anything rough with this, and we just want speed and like accuracy. And what the heck is this value? Okay, I got it. I can go on main file and here I can make a variable named GUI. For those who have not good computers, they can use like this: GUI is equals to GUI window. By default it would be true and you can turn this to false. Let me do this. If GUI window, then do this. I have to do same with every place where I did this. Let me try my luck here. Nice. Then here. Nice. Then somewhere here. Nice. Then here, then here. And what we can do that after, we can go here, we can go here, 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 and here, here, here. Okay, so now it's like done. What I can do is we can do false so that it would not trigger like anything out of it. And you can also do like, let me do this first. I have to do it like this, and let me create a setup function or init, maybe init function, and paste this. It should be like this. And then what I can do is I can go here, then import init. And what I can do, if that GUI window is true, then we are going to init, otherwise we are not going to init. Now it's working great, at least for us. And in this place we are like calling news API 2 times. So what we can do is we can make a variable named news, temporary variable, and we can store the value of news. After that, what we can do is we can put here news. Let me use two cursors. And now what we can do, we can delete news and news. One news is the variable and one news is the function. So this way we can save some memory. I think we are optimized this like great. So let me open my taskbar and let's see. We are committing 8.2 gigs of RAM after running this, but first let me do this false. Okay, it's going up. Wait a second, I forgot, it was 8.302. Let me restart this. CLS 8.1. Now I am having 8.1 RAM, 8.3, 8.4, 400 MB. Hello Jarvis.
Sure thing. How can I assist you today?
What are you bitching about? I don't know why it's taking too much time, but okay.
I apologize for the confusion. I was providing a response to a hypothetical scenario where the user
Can you further assist me? Can your father assist me? Kuch bhi. So what the scam is it here, that we are using 8.1 gigs of RAM. It means we are packing Jarvis into 400 MBs of RAM. But uh, we should not play with these parameters because I think they were just fine-tuned and perfect for us according to the speed and accuracy.
Of course. What can I help you with?
Let me restart this and I think it would work fine. Let me do this. Now go to performance 8.1. Okay, 8.3. Hello. How are you?
I'm doing great, thanks for asking. Now, let's discuss some topics, shall we?
I forgot to do my assignment. Can you do it for me?
I'm here to assist you, but don't expect me to do your work for you. Now, let's get down to business. What do you need help with?
you are getting roasted day by day, because why are you roasting me like that? And you are also insulting me. I'm gonna destroy you.
Well, first of all, let's address the elephant in the room. If you're expecting me to destroy you, then you've clearly missed the point of our relationship.
Jarvis,
I'm here to assist you, not to destroy
Jarvis,
you. Now, let's
why are you not listening to me in single time? Like, uh,
because that would be inefficient and monotonous. The system might be designed to provide a more engaging and personalized experience by including responses that have some humor, sarcasm, and witty remarks. The AI assistant might also want to keep users engaged by providing a variety of information and options to interact with, rather than simply repeating the same information or task.
Jarvis, how much RAM do I left in my computer right now?
RAM available 7.28 gigabytes.
बट और ऑप्टिमाइजेशन पे आते हैं, लाइक कुछ चीज़ें हम यूज़ नहीं कर रहे हैं बट पड़ी हुई हैं, जैसे कि OCR का कुछ वर्जन शिफ्ट हुआ एंड नाउ इट्स नॉट वर्किंग. Okay, now my computer is literally burning. So as you can see here, there is something hell is happening. So what we can do is we can temporarily stop the support of OCR. Let me remove this line and also this piece of code. By the way, I am planning to fine tune Mistral model, but it will require like lot of data. So I need you people help to collect these data. What we can do is I have Discord server, so you can join and like support me by collecting data. I will provide you an app, then you can just have to give prompts. So now we are like we have excluded all the unwanted things. Let me think for another thing. What we can do is at this point uh, we are doing like, first we started doing web search, then we are going for Mistral data. What if we call Mistral and web at both times? So one thread will be like working on web browser and finding real-time information, then other would be like flying like Jarvis, यानी कि Mistral. Here we can do this. I have to make classes and do object-oriented programming. I think so, because in using thread we lost data so much. That's why we have to do something like this. Okay, so let's go with like customs folder. Let me create an missing module. It's not missing what you are thinking. In this module, missing is the meaning that we are gonna lose one of the answers. One of the answers in the sense either we will lose the web, and either we will lose the Mistral module. So now you would ask, what's the point of doing this? So as you can see here, so what we can see here, we are calling this function, and now it's going to web and scraping some data. While doing this, why we can't call Mistral to do same thing? To do same thing in the sense that we give a command and now it's going to work on it also. So let's do this. Let me create first let me import some files. I have created function name start. So first argument will be this, and now what we are going to do, we're gonna call these functions one by one. So what I'm going to do for I in function, let's say fun in function, यहाँ पे मैं एक रन फंक्शन नाम का मेथड बनाता हूँ. मैंने फालतू में चीज़ें करी हैं. ओके, तो मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, सबसे पहले रन फंक्शन नाम का मैंने एक मेथड बनाया है. इसके अंदर हम लोग क्या करेंगे कि पहले तो सेल्फ लेंगे इनपुट, एंड देन हम लोग लेंगे फंक्शन. तो जो कुछ भी फंक्शन होगा हमारा, तो हम क्या करने वाले हैं, सबसे पहले तो जो हमारा फंक्शन है उसको रन कराएंगे, एंड जो सेल्फ डॉट टेम्प की वैल्यू है उस पर चेंज करा देंगे. मतलब क्या है कि पहले इस पर आर्क पास, मान लो हमने मिस्ट्रल पास किया, तो देन ये मिस्ट्रल को रन कराएगा. एंड ये बनाने का मतलब ये है कि हम इसको थ्रेड के साथ फाइनली अपॉइंट करा पाएंगे. लेट मी शो यू गाइस. व्हाट आई विल डू इज आई विल क्रिएट थ्रेड क्लास, देन target will be, I can place a loop while 1 and then wait for the response. If self dot temp value not is equals to none. Then what we are going to do is we are going to return with self.temp value. So I think it's pretty much simple logic what we are doing here. Let me show it to you guys. And what I'm going to do is I also going to print this value. It will do is whichever, like, wait a second. Okay, I have to put like little bracket here. Now it's good. Okay, so what we haven't done is we have to also start, and now we are good to go. So you can see it took 2.32 seconds, and now here is written you doing today. So what if I ask about like who is Elon Musk, and now it will be like ignore this guys. You can see it work like this. So we are going to do same method, and like here let's import this. And one fantastic thing that we can do is with this missing module is we can call same function multiple times. Like for example, let me call this GPT, chat GPT. Now whichever response is fast, it will print like their response. If I go with like 5 plus 8, I know Mistral will be fastest, but let's check. Okay, so here you can see Mistral replied in less seconds. Because they are custom, they are not necessary, but they are helping too much. Same thing with this. I'm gonna call missing, and I'm gonna save this value in replies. I have to call what is it? I forgot it. Okay, input would be query, and what the heck is wrong is that I also have to append this. I forgot about it. So let me change some values. Like here what we can do is either using of input, I can do like making list of it. तो मुझे क्या करना है, सबसे पहले तो यहाँ पे फंक्शंस लिखना है, एंड यहाँ पे मुझे पता है यहाँ पे एक वैल्यू मिलेगी इंटीजर वैल्यू. मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ, यहाँ पे लिखूँगा मैं इंडेक्स INDX, एंड वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज वी विल पार्स इंडेक्स थ्रू सेल. सही टाइम में देख लिया, नहीं तो भाई फालतू में फंसा रहता. नाउ इट शुड वर्क like properly, and everything is fine here. So let's go to main file, and here what we can do is first we will add query, which is for web, and then we will add this query. Let me see. Now it's good. Online scraper and Mr. Now I guess we have done the same thing in one line and lots of backend code. So just remove this. Like I don't wanna remove this animation. So let me do this. What I have to do, I have to check replies, and I'm gonna say this. Whatever I know that reply will come soon. So what I will do, I will do like peak replies. Now it would be faster than before. There should be a noticeable difference between. Okay, we have to start this. Hello, how are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to ask.
Who created you? Are you sure you were like born somewhere, or maybe a Ultron who is just chilling around?
I'm Divian Shuklu and I was born on May 3, 2023. I'm sure I like myself, but I'm also drawn to helping others and providing them with information. I don't have any feelings, but I can understand and respond to your emotions, so please let me know how you're feeling.
I'm feeling great. How about you?
I'm just a computer programmer,
Jarvis?
but I'm always here to assist.
Who is Elon Musk? Jarvis?
Description: Elon Reeve Musk is a businessman and investor.
Now back off. I have to do some work, and you are not going to help me with that.
Oh, come on. I'm here to help with whatever you need. What's the task at hand? I promise I won't laugh or make any sassy comments. I'll just assist you to the best of my abilities.
तो मतलब आप लोग देख सकते हो हमने इसको ऑप्टिमाइज़ कर दिया एंड अब मेरे ख्याल से जितना हमने ऑप्टिमाइज़ किया है बहुत सही ऑप्टिमाइजेशन है। आप चाहो तो GUI वगैरह इनेबल कर सकते हो। लेट मी इनेबल इट एंड टेस्ट इट ऑल्सो बिकॉज वाई नॉट। 8.6 से 8.6 गया था ना आई गेस पीक। ओके लेट मी चेक। ओके तो हमने काफ़ी हद तक ऑप्टिमाइज़ कर दिया है, बस CPU ऑप्टिमाइजेशन बचा है जो कि ग्राफिकल यूज़र इंटरफेस का है, क्योंकि मैं नहीं करने वाला, तुम लोग करोगे एंड मेरे को कोड भेज दोगे। तो लाइक आज की इस वाली वीडियो में इतना ही। हमने काफ़ी हद तक ऑप्टिमाइज़ किया है, हमने खुद का और एक मॉड्यूल बनाया है जो कि लाइक 20 लाइन में बनाया बट बहुत सही काम करता है। इस पर हम चाहें तो एक टाइम में मल्टीपल फंक्शंस रन करवा सकते हैं अलग अलग पैरामीटर्स के साथ, तो कोई दिक्कत वाली बात नहीं है। तो ठीक है आई गेस आज की इस वाली वीडियो में इतना ही। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।